What's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the remote battery in your 2016 Toyota Tacoma. First thing you want to do is remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. You have a button right here on the left side that says push, so we're going to push it, and then you can take the emergency key right out. Now we're going to use the emergency key to open this remote. We're going to have the buttons facing down, and you can see the slit that we have right here. We're going to put the emergency key in just enough to give it a twist and crack the remote open. Okay. Now that we have the remote open, it exposes the key. I'm going to use the key again to remove the battery. I'm just going to pry it out of here a little bit. Take it right out and get the new one. So here's the new one. The size is going to be a CR 2032. You can see that the positive sign right there is going to be facing us. So we'll stick it right in here, snap it in, and you get the cover. And all we're going to do is snap this together also. It just snaps right together nice and easy. We'll get the emergency key, stick it back in, and we are all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I'd really appreciate it if you like and subscribe. You guys take care, be safe, and have a great weekend.